Environmental pollution refers to the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment, causing adverse effects. This contamination can take various forms, including air, water, and soil pollution, and it can result from human activities as well as natural processes. The pollutants involved can be chemicals, heavy metals, noise, heat, or biological agents. Environmental pollution poses a significant threat to ecosystems, human health, and overall biodiversity. Here are some key types of environmental pollution. 1. Air pollution. Sources: industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, burning of fossil fuels, deforestation. Pollutants: particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, volatile organic compounds VOCs. 2. Water pollution. Sources: industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, untreated sewage, oil spills. Pollutants: heavy metals, nutrients nitrogen and phosphorus, pathogens, chemicals, plastics. 3. Soil pollution. Sources: industrial waste disposal, agricultural chemicals, improper waste disposal. Pollutants: pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, contaminated industrial effluents. 4. Noise pollution. Sources: urbanization, industrial activities, transportation, construction. Effects: hearing impairment, stress, disruption of wildlife behavior. Thermal pollution. Sources: power plants, industrial processes. Effects: elevated water temperatures can harm aquatic ecosystems, affecting fish and other aquatic life. 5. Light pollution. Sources: excessive artificial lighting in urban areas. Effects: disruption of natural light cycles, interference with astronomical observations, and impact on wildlife behavior. Plastic pollution. Sources: improper disposal of plastic products. Effects: accumulation of non-biodegradable plastics in oceans and ecosystems, posing threats to marine life. 6. Radioactive pollution. Sources: nuclear power plants, radioactive waste disposal. Pollutants: radioactive substances. Effects: long-term environmental contamination and health risks. Environmental pollution has wide-ranging impacts on human health, leading to respiratory diseases, waterborne illnesses, and other health issues. It also negatively affects biodiversity, disrupts ecosystems, and contributes to climate change. Mitigating environmental pollution requires a combination of regulatory measures, technological advancements, public awareness, and sustainable practices to reduce the release of pollutants into the environment.